I don't want you to think that I'm going to take a picture of him on a ground that's clearly slanted. I'm going to go home and make him look like he's just on flat ground. It's going to be... Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in photography or getting better at photography, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Today's video will be a behind the scenes of the latest brand shoot I did with Crux. It's a golf brand. I've shot with them before. This was a shoot. It was at a golf course in the Northwest. The owner of the brand just wanted some content for the socials. The purpose of the video is to show you what settings I used, what camera and lenses I used, and I think to show the atmosphere of what a brand shoot has. To show the atmosphere that can be there. How do I say this? To show the mood or the atmosphere that can be on a brand shoot. When I was new to photography, the idea of a shoot going to the brand level just made it seem like everything was super serious and strict, and if you don't get the shot, you're gonna die. But don't get me wrong, there'll be pressure because of deadlines and things like that. But there are brand shoots, there are brand campaigns that are not like that. The comments on the last shoot I did were to include the settings and a voiceover. So I will do my best to have that today. So enjoy the next few minutes of footage. And if you have any questions, comment them down below.
No, it's slanted. You can make it look flat, can't you?
I don't know who you think I am. What do you mean? What do you mean?
So the ground's a bit better to like showcase the...
It means the turf, do you know what I mean? The actual quality of the turf.
Yeah, but what do you mean in terms of making it look flat? Why do you need it to look flat anyway? Yeah. Yeah. But it doesn't need to look flat though. No. It just needs to look like he's stood on a floor, like.
Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying?
No, because I don't want you to think. I don't want you to think that I'm gonna take a picture of him on a ground that's clearly slanted. I'm gonna go home and make him look like he's just on flat ground. It's gonna be clear that he is on.
All right. I'll leave it to you.
Now, the purpose of leaving that in the video was to teach a little lesson. Communication is key. Now, I'm not saying go out of your way to completely dictate where the shoot goes, because at the end of the day, the owner of the brand knows how they want the photos to look. But what I am saying is communicate. If you think you can't do something, be honest, make clear that you can't do it, and you'll be respected more than if you lie and say you can do it when you know that you actually cannot. In addition to that, the last thing you want to happen after a shoot is to send the final images and then be told that that's not what we wanted, or you said you could do it better.
Okay. Yeah, it looks good.
Throughout the shoot, I changed between the 70-200 Sigma f2.8 and the Canon 50mm f1.8. So for using the 70-200, I had to get all the way back and shoot all the way at 200 just to get that smooth bokeh and compression. Another thing I strongly advise, and you'll see it a lot in this video, is to show the brand owner or whoever's in charge of the shoot the images that you're creating. This is not only just a nice little update for them, but it's a way of confirming that the stuff that you're shooting is what they want, so that again, the final conversation after the images are received isn't, why does it look like this? Why does it look like that? However, you should do this after you've gotten to know your client and you know what they want. You will find clients that would constantly like that update, and you will also get clients that make clear to you you have creative direction and they'd like you to just take control of it, and they don't really mind how it comes out.
Yeah, well better.
Yeah.
What lens is that? Close-up shots of his gilet just next to the bag.
Yeah. Okay, come closer. Perfect, yeah. Wait, hold on. You still haven't subscribed. It doesn't make any sense. I'm sure this isn't the first time you've watched one of my videos. Now, if you're learning something, if you're enjoying yourself, surely it just makes sense that you would, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload, and then we can do this again. You know what I mean? Come on, just press the button. Anyway, back to the shoot. It was just with the logo, and then him stood next to the bag.
Awesome. Yeah, really good. Try and get a couple of the hat as well, maybe.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, 3, 2, 1. But just do it again. Same as before. 3, 2, 1. The brand owner wanted the golf bag in the background, so that's why I've composed the shot almost a rule of thirds kind of way to allow space for that bag as well. Yeah.
Awesome, mate.
Cool.
From,
The hat and stuff.
Yeah, sweet. Really good, mate.
Cool. Alright, when you're ready. One more swing. One more. Or looking straight ahead.
You need to tilt down a little bit more in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Really good.
Cool.
Okay, cool. If you get it from him walking from there to here.
Isn't that what we're gonna do with when I take the long lens and go there to get the whole walking set up?
If you think it'll reach fine.
Yeah. Because all the others will be, when we do that routine when I go over there, they're all full body anyway.
Absolutely.
So for this, when I use this lens and I'm here, it will be for the closer up detail kind of look. So this will be for the gilet and the hat, but we already got the hat.
Yeah, we've already got the hat here, yeah.
Okay.
While you've got that, do you want me to get the two of the hats and do them now for you to change the lens?
Yeah, we could do that.
Time.
Yeah. See, it's all about communication with this. Those conversations aren't about making yourself look better or more smart than the other person. We have the same goal, which is to get good photos on this shoot.
Yeah, awesome. While the bag's there, I'll change the hat, and then you want to shift the bag.
Okay, yeah, so we'll get the,
one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's on.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
It's just a bit more dramatic, you know?
Yeah, mate, looks awesome.
2, 1, go. One more. So that was the brand shoot. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, comment them down below and have a good day.